Uba Pradip kurba uway ni ginong Shna Phlim kasi uba paukman haba ay jingkren ha ka Hello Meghalaya Integrated Grand Disbursement Event kabalalong State Convention Center hagalay tarik ujuleo arajar arpusan ula jaw ummat kadbo dang Ïathuh Shaphang ki mati ukpa jong u ha kabayadey bat kajing Shna ki Phlim kasi bat penpau ba kajing poi jong u ha katika rensan kadai nakadaw jong ukpa jong u kumman syukdo Bakatnat tourism ka sarkar jala kala panlong ka Hello Meghalaya Integrated Grand Disbursement Event kadai shibenta ka jingpen kup buram yo ba Pradip kurba bat ka kinhon Jong u ne ka benta ka Phlim ka batmai Jong u ya ka bala ai kerteng halingka beneng haba ai jingkren uba Pradip ulaong bawat lau ukpa Jong u don shu ha ka perthairu henry ki jingi I jingai Jong ukpa ka yai khot But day ukpa Jong u bala pinko ngo ningkong yu ban pinkim ya ka kasi cinema nalor ka niulo ongru bagi senjam ba ula shim bat ki Phlim ba ula Shna ki don ringkat ya ka Mynsiem Jong ukpa.
Ladies and gentlemen, the film Haba, meaning Those from the Clouds or the Elysian Field, has not just made it to the prestigious Moscow International Film Festival, but it has absolutely swept the main competitions categories. The film has secured the coveted Golden St. George for Best Film, the Silver St. George for Best Director for Pradip himself, and the esteemed Netpack Award for Best Asian Film. This triple win is an exceptional achievement for any Indian regional language film. It has brought immense pride and global recognition to Khasi cinema, and indeed to all of Meghalaya. Let's give a huge round of applause once again for Mr. Pradip and his team.
We began filming in 2022 and it took us almost 2 years to complete because we wanted to capture the film across all 4 seasons. We shot everything in and around Sora. It wasn't just about showing the beauty of the place. We wanted the location to become a part of the story. Haba is a tribute to the land, to our people, and to the strength of our stories. I'm deeply grateful to my cast, my entire technical team, my producers, my co-producers, my associate producers. Each one of you gave your best and stood by the film at every stage. Thank you for being a part of this journey. The whole team of Haba is truly thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma, Honorable Minister of Tourism Bapal Indor, Dr. Vijay Kumar, and the entire Hello Meghalaya team. Your encouragement and support gave us the confidence to keep going and meant a great deal to us during. And now with the dedicated cinema halls for the local films being planned, we hope they will become dedicated spaces for local films. Places where our stories can be seen regularly, where audiences can connect with films made in their own language and culture. These steps are more than just government policies. They are helping build a strong foundation for a film culture that can grow and stand on its own here in Meghalaya. For many of us, this is the first time we truly feel there's a place for our stories, not just in festivals, but here at home. It's a hopeful and exciting time for all of us who believe in the power of cinema from our state. To all the filmmakers out there, take your time. Don't rush to follow what's popular. Stay true to your stories and more importantly, stay true to your art. Real cinema isn't about chasing trends or likes. It's about honesty, emotion, and human connection. Lastly, I stand here today because of one person. My father. Though he's no longer with us, his vision continues to guide me. In 1993, he founded Kyrwoh Films and gave me my first break as a director with Kyrwoh. He was the one who first made me believe in the dream of reviving Khasi cinema. A dream that has stayed with me ever since. Every step I take and every film I make, carries his spirit. I've always felt this journey belongs to us. His dream and my steps. Thank you once again for this beautiful recognition.
Haba Thien, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, haba thiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya